So, I mean, I have a little bit of experience with this AI fusion or like end-to-end, the big picture is not there, but this course and the way you explain is really going to fill that gap. So I feel this is the right time, I mean, for the project as well as for my career to achieve the certification. That's what I feel. And coming to notes, as Manpreet and Ajit mentioned, yes, it's very comprehensive notes. And even I was not expecting these detailed notes, but that the notes is really good. Yes, I'm new to the PMI altogether. This is my first PMI. I mean, I've done so maybe that hand-holding on that examination with PMI, all these things might be going to help me. I mean, I have a project scale agile project execution, but I mean, I'm not into a typical this PMP kind of Scrum and agile. Yes.